In today's video, I'm going to teach you what Reddit Karma is and how you can earn it effectively. Reddit Karma often sparks curiosity among newcomers who are eager to understand its value within the Reddit community. Essentially, karma is a score you receive based on the upvotes and downvotes your content gathers after being posted. It's divided into two categories: post karma and comment karma. Each time your post or comment receives an upvote, your karma increases. Conversely, when downvoted, it decreases. It serves as a reputation score that signifies how your contributions are perceived by other Reddit users. Now that we've demystified the concept of Reddit Karma, let's dive into actionable strategies on how to earn it. First, focus on engaging consistently with subreddits that align with your interests. Participating meaningfully in discussions will boost your visibility and make it easier for you to connect with like-minded individuals. This engagement naturally leads to increased upvotes, thereby improving your karma. Next, contribute high-quality, original content. Redditors appreciate well-thought-out posts that offer value, whether it's through informative articles, humorous insights, or compelling narratives. Investing time in crafting engaging content will not only help you earn karma but also establish you as a valuable member of the community. Don't forget the power of timing. Posting at optimal times when your target subreddit is most active can significantly enhance the visibility of your content. This translates into a greater likelihood of receiving upvotes. Research the activity patterns of each subreddit to determine the best times to post. Another effective tip is to engage with the community through comments. Commenting on existing posts is an excellent way to earn comment karma. Make sure your comments add value to the conversation, be it through sharing knowledge, expressing genuine opinions, or injecting a bit of humor. Keep in mind that thoughtful and respectful interactions are more likely to be well received. It's crucial to adhere to each subreddit's rules and guidelines. Abiding by these rules not only helps you contribute appropriately but also prevents your posts from being removed or your account from being banned. Remember, harmful, irrelevant, or offensive content is likely to be downvoted, which can negatively impact your karma. Lastly, be patient. Earning karma is not an overnight process. It requires persistent and meaningful participation. Over time, your continued efforts will reflect in your karma score, illustrating your positive contribution to the Reddit community. I hope these tips provide you with the clarity and confidence you need to navigate the world of Reddit Karma. Remember, the ultimate aim is to engage genuinely and contribute positively to the Reddit community. Happy Redditing, and may your karma flourish.